Peanut oil fried chicken. This is the delicious recipe you can make in your fryer, or you can make this recipe in just a Dutch oven or any deepest pot you have in your kitchen. You will need peanut oil 100% for this recipe. Peanut oil, a whole chicken, skinless chicken for this recipe. It's not a batter chicken. You put the batter on top and you deep fry it. It's the seasoned fried chicken. It's gonna be crispy, it's gonna be delicious. Let's get into it. First of all, my name is Mair. You're watching Mairbornhungry YouTube channel. I'm a professional chef. It's been 15 years. I'm here on YouTube just to tell you how to do these recipes easily, right? Pot is on the flames. I'm using electric stove. It's at 350 degrees. This is 2 liters, half a gallon of peanut oil, and it goes in here. We have to make sure we have enough oil for this recipe. At least 2 liters of oil will be in here. This bottle cost me around $16, and this recipe you can make with the chicken breast, with the chicken legs, with the chicken wings. Very few ingredients for this recipe. Around 35 to 40 minutes is just deep frying chicken with delicious flavors I'm giving you. Seasoning, Old Bay. We'll be using some black pepper, some garlic powder, some salt, some lemon. For the dressings, I have the biggest green chilies you can ever find. We will fry these guys as well. Some lemon, some pomegranate seeds for the dressing, to make the food look tempting. Peanut oil is getting hot. It should be at 350 degrees. So in the meantime, we'll prepare our chicken. This is whole chicken, skinless. So let's make some deep cuts on the chicken breast first. Just go with the knife as deep as you can and leave 1/4 inch space in between and just go with the flow. Whatever cut you make, just go with the flow. Here you go. It goes in there, and here you go. It's deep frying chicken, and the marinade and the seasoning has to get in there, right? How easy it is, right? We made the cuts on the chicken. It's completely ready to get to be marinated. How about that? We will marinate this chicken right on the chopping board. Let me remove the gloves. New pair of gloves are on. Old Bay, world's most famous seasoning. 2 tablespoons of the Old Bay seasoning right here on our chicken. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder, tablespoon of garlic powder. Old Bay has salt in the seasoning, so we will take just half tablespoon of the salt. It goes right here. 1 whole lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. It goes on top. Okay. One whole lemon has been squeezed in here. Now the trick is just to massage it, just rub all the ingredients on top, get into cavities, get into deep cuts. Massage it at least for 5 minutes. Get into all deep cuts. Make sure you get into every corner. Peanut oil fried chicken has been seasoned perfectly with almost just 4 ingredients. This is what we needed. Lemon was the 5th one, and we have marinated our chicken. Your fryers, you have to make sure the oil, peanut oil, is at 350 degrees. It's been 10 minutes. Our peanut oil is at 355 degrees almost. Let's grab this beauty and land it carefully. You know, the oil is too much, so just be careful a little bit. And it's gonna go in here. So initially I'm giving the initial coat to all sides of the chicken. because it's at 350 degrees. So this is how it's gonna look once you give all the coat all the way around. If you have the deepest fryer, make sure just throw the chicken in there, don't worry about it, check back it after 30 minutes. If you're making this in a pot, you have to be careful, you know. So, and now we will let it sit here, face down, dip it in the oil at least for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, okay. So this is how it's gonna be cooking now, at least for another 15 minutes, just like this. Look at all the seasoning which we have put on top. It's getting fried in that. It's been 15 minutes altogether. The chicken has been cooking, so we might need to flip the sides, you know. It's been 25 minutes. We have been rotating and frying this chicken. This is a fryer chicken, peanut oil fried chicken recipe. It's been 30 minutes at 350 degrees in peanut oil, our whole chicken. Let's do the temperature check, okay? So here it is in the breast, and if you can see, it tells it's more than 165. Your chicken should be over 165 once you're deep frying this chicken. Even you're baking it, even you are air frying it, make sure your chicken is above 165 Fahrenheit. Completely ready. It's completely done in 30 minutes at 350 degrees. To do, we have to make it a little bit crispy, you know. Frying is something you want a little bit crispy touch to it, right? So we will fry for another 10 more minutes. Crispy touch. You see the wing, you see this crust, that's what we want. Here are Italian peppers, you can call it Cubanelle peppers. We will slit them from the center, add it right here in the oil dish right next to our chicken, just in the middle. These are not super spicy, they are tempting and they look delicious. So let's fry them at least for, we have 6-7 more minutes. So let these guys fry in there. Time is over. 40 minutes it has been cooking in peanut oil, our delicious peanut oil fried chicken. Stoves are off. Time to dish out. The dish out is you have to put this chicken in the strainer first, so it drains all the extra oils and it cools down at least for 5 minutes. Here goes our whole chicken right here. Look at the crust, look at the crispiness. Yum, yum, yum. It looks good. Cubanelle peppers. Let's land them right here. Have some pomegranate seeds, fresh, and just add some right next to it. So it's presentable, you know. Hard process for the deliciousness. It's done. This is the time to taste. Do the hungry bite. Look at this beauty. It looks so delicious, right? Where should I start? Oh my god, this is so tender. Wow. Oh, and comes off. Imagine how tender and crispy all at the same time. Ooh. If you really want fried chicken without extra hassle, without all the batter, the flour, and you want original crispy chicken, ancient style, you try this delicious peanut oil fried chicken with all the seasonings in here. Breast, look at the seasonings, the cuts, got the seasonings. enjoy this recipe. Seriously, it's good. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, enjoy yourself. Let me enjoy this beauty. Follow the recipe. 5 ingredients: orbe, salt, black pepper, right? They all are here. Get the peanut oil here. Oh wow.